Hear ye, hear ye. Prepare thyself for the grand joust on the 15-minute battleground of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In this medieval melee, armored price knights clash for glory and gold. So don thy helmet and let the tourney begin. Let's jump right into it. Market is in clear upward expansion phase. 3-session value migration, higher signals, strong trend. Buyers remain dominant despite minor pauses at POC. Structure: trend day transitioning into potential continuation. Key focus: acceptance above VAH versus exhaustion rejection. Key buy and sell, levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,608. This is the gate where the elite Praetorians stand guard. Breaking through means the crowd goes wild. Value area low, VAL, 6,580. The sandy floor where the struggle begins. If gladiators fall below, they face the lions. Point of control, POC, 6,592. The center of the Colosseum where the most blood and sweat were shed today. Support zone, 6,576 to 6,580. The fortified trenches where the legionnaires hold their ground against the barbarians. Resistance zone, 6,608 to 6,631. The high walls of the stadium that the attackers are struggling to scale. Single prints and escape paths. Lower, 6,576 to 6,577. A narrow tunnel used for a quick retreat by the defeated. Upper, 6,629 to 6,631. The Emperor's balcony. A breach here signifies a total victory. Market context. Today's arena is dominated by the sound of clashing steel, as the bulls have pushed the battle line significantly higher. The price has been charging upwards, leaving the previous day's dust far behind. With CVD showing a strong influx of fresh recruits, the momentum is clearly with the legion of buyers. It is a day of expansion and conquest, though a brief rest near the POC shows some exhaustion in the ranks. 3-day march through the arena. Day 3, March 30th. POC, 6,434. High, 6,482. Low, 6,360. The gladiators were just warming up their shields. Day 2, March 31st. POC, 6,442. High, 6,592. Low, 6,353. A massive charge that broke the gates of the stadium. Day 1, April 1st. POC, 6,592. High, 6,631. Low, 6,576. The Emperor gives a firm thumbs up as value moves to the high seats. Value has marched steadily uphill over 3 sessions, and today's acceptance above the previous high suggests the siege continues. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open, CVD, 7,836 contracts. The morning sun rose on a stadium already filling with eager combatants. Intraday peak, buying, CVD climbed to 21,269. A massive wave of reinforcements joined the fray. Current CVD, 18,575, net 10,739. From open, meaning the buyers still hold a massive numerical advantage despite some late session retreats. Intraday low, CVD low, 2,169, a brief moment where the defenders almost pushed the gates shut. Interpretation: aggressive buy-side delta has defined the day. Any dip to VAL will likely see the shields raised once more. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone. Near VAL, 6,580 to 6,584. Stop loss. below single print floor at approximately 6,571, 1 ATR beneath VAL, or use average true range ATR approximately 9 points below entry. Profit target. Initial target at POC 6,592. Major target at VAH 6,608. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of VAH 6,608 to 6,631 or breakdown through VAL. Stop loss. Above VAH, single print ceiling at approximately 6,640 or ATR above entry. Profit target. POC for first partial, then VAL. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above. VAH. Bulls. Charge past the gate at 6,608 with the roar of 1,000 lions. Setup. Enter long above 6,608 with stop at 6,592. POC. Target 6,631 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B. Rejection at VAH. The defenders pour boiling oil from the walls at 6,608 to 6,631. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,631. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The front line collapses at the sandy floor of 6,580. Setup. Shorter break below 6,580. Stop above 6,589. Recent swing high. Target 6,565 area. Scenario D. Value bounce. Buyers find fresh swords at the edge of the pit. Setup. Long at 6,580. Stop at 6,571. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.